When you receive the product, you will get the following items. First, release the handlebar stem lock. Align the groove on the inner tube of the handlebar stem with the positioning protrusion on the outer tube. Insert the handlebar stem inner tube into the handlebar stem outer tube. Securely fasten the handlebar stem clamp. Extend the handlebar stem to its full upright position. Securely fasten the folding clamp mechanism. Remove the mounting screw securing the fender bracket. Align the fender bracket washer with the mounting hole on the fender. Install the fender bracket and bracket mounting washer. Tighten the fender bracket mounting screw. Stabilize the front fender mounting point. Remove the screw from front fender mounting point. Install the fender onto the front fork mounting position. Align the light bracket screw holes with both the fender mount and fork crown holes. Insert the screw with washers through all aligned holes. Install washer and nut on opposite side. Adjust the light bracket to desired angle. Tighten the front fender mounting screw. Align arrows on both waterproof connectors of light wiring and push to connect. Remove the left and right fender bracket mounting screws. Install the left and right fender brackets to the screw mounting holes on the front fork legs. Remove the flange nuts, washers, and front axle safety hooks from both sides of the front wheel. Remove the protective cover from the front wheel bearing seat notch. Remove the brake pad block. Install the front wheel assembly onto the front fork. Align the brake disc with the brake caliper gap. Ensure both ends of the front axle are seated in the front wheel bearing seat notches. Install the safety hooks, washers, and flange nuts on both sides of the front axle in sequence. Tighten the flange nuts on both sides. The pedals are side-specific. Install both pedals as demonstrated in the video. Install the seat assembly onto the frame and adjust both the seat angle and height. Tighten the seat post clamp. Position the basket kit as shown in the video for subsequent installation. Install a washer on each screw. Tighten the 4 side screws. Position the basket base plate as demonstrated in the video. Tighten all 10 screws as indicated in the video. Basket assembly is now complete as shown in the video. Remove the 6 screws from the rear seat basket mounting points. Align the basket mounting holes with the screw holes on the rear seat. Install and tighten these for screws with washers. Here is the battery charging port. Here is the keyhole. In clockwise order, battery release lock, battery secure lock, and start battery. This area displays the remaining battery level. Removing and installing the battery. First, release the seat folding latch to fold up the saddle. Press and rotate the key to the position that unlocks the battery. The battery can now be lifted out. Before installing the battery, align the groove on the battery with the battery guide rail on the vehicle frame. Slide the battery fully into position along the guide rail. Rotate the key to the position that locks the battery. Finally, unfold the saddle and lock it back to its initial position. Powering on and feature overview. Press and hold the power or M button to power on the vehicle. Press plus or minus to change the password digit. Press M to confirm the digit. After entering the password, press M again to power on. Dashboard display. Press M to cycle through displays. Press plus or minus to switch through assist levels. Press and hold plus to toggle the light on or off. Press and hold minus to activate push assist mode. push assist mode provides forward propulsion. Press and hold plus and minus simultaneously to enter settings. PO1 adjusts screen brightness. PO2 switches between km per hour and mph. PO4 sets standby time. PO8 sets maximum speed. PO9 configures launch mode. 1 is non-zero start, 0 is zero start. P16 is the auto reset. Long press plus to clear. P17 is the cruise control. 1 means on, 0 means off. P18 is to change power on password. Press plus minus to select digits. Long press M button to confirm each digit. After setting all for digits, long press plus and minus or wait to return to main display. This is the turn signal switch. Turn signal blinking. Brake light lighting up. This is the gear shifter. Gear shifting demolition. Check tire pressure before riding the vehicle. The max pressure should be no more than 20 psi or 140 kilopascals or 1 point per bar.